Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So I look crazy obviously, but that's because we are going to be straightening my hair today. It's finally cold here in Florida and there's like no humidity, so I'm gonna enjoy the little bit of time that I have with that. My hair is not any different of a length than it was last year because I've been slowly cutting off all of the damage. So it's not a length check or anything, I just want to style it today. And I also wanted to try out the Revlon blow dryer brush that I've been seeing everyone try. I picked up some styling products as well, so we're gonna be trying. I'm gonna let you guys know how all this works and we'll see if I actually am able to get my hair as straight as I want it to. So what I already washed my hair with, I clarified a lot because as you guys know, I wear my hair natural all the time. So because I wear it natural all the time, there's like an excessive amount of buildup of products and stuff. So the lady at Ulta suggested to pick up this Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3 Clarifying. This thing really does, it clarifies your hair. Honestly, it was detangling my hair while I was like shampooing it. So really great shampoo. I actually will continue to use that. And then I washed with this conditioner, which I had always wanted to try out, Biolage, but I just decided to pick it up today. And it is also amazing, so I will continue using that conditioner. And then I deep conditioned with this deep conditioner. It is the 911 Quinoa Biotop Professional Hair Mask. I am going to blow dry my hair first with this. We'll see how well of a job this does. If I could just do a blowout with it, that would be incredible, but I highly doubt it because I do have pretty coarse hair. I picked up this Sexy Hairstyle Protect Me Protection Spray, and then I picked up the Chi Silk Infusion. A bunch of you guys suggested to try this out. I just finished washing my hair. I put it up in this t-shirt. My hair is really clean and really soft. Guys, I don't even have product in my hair. Look how curly it is. Okay, I'm definitely, wow. Definitely going to be using that as my new conditioner. I'm going to section out my hair. I think I'm gonna put like that much. I think that's enough. I heard somebody say to use it on the cool setting first, just to like make sure that your hair is dry, then move to the low, and then move to the high. Okay, that like, holy shit. That literally smooths my hair so much. I'm gonna do the other half of my hair. I'm so shocked right now. I'm gonna do like half of my head and then I'll come back and I guess show you guys how everything looks.
Why you really mad? Cause I copped the two-seater and it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's belly ache. I'm too busy eating, got a belly ache. Ooh, I just want my cheese kinda shredded. Wait, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Hey, I'm a bad man, so I might just go to God. It's a lane poppin', so I might just show my body. Tell me what you learn from a nigga, what you earn from a nigga. I just grow, baby, blossom. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry. Made it this far, I'm not sorry. My folks try to stop me out, but I'm a young rose and I can't get out. I did it, I go young Russell Simmons. See me flip on the best to a million. Wonder why I bought so hard. I'm the only young Drake from the block.
Alright, So that is my hair completely blow dried with the Revlon brush. It was really struggling clearly around the top ends of my hair. I think the top part of my hair is my most damaged part of my hair. If you guys didn't know, I do have like chemical damage in my hair from Diva Curl, and so my hair is not in its best prime. So I'm gonna go through and flat iron real quick, and we'll see how this final result turns out.
I cannot chase you, and I cannot fly. Chase you. Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way? I'ma go home, I'ma type up.
Alright, so I just went ahead and I passed through the flat iron once, or like only once, through most pieces of my hair. I'm a little worried about getting heat damage because I actually did straighten my hair like 4 days ago trying to do this video, but my flat iron was broken, so it didn't work out. So I had done like all this before, being real with you, and it didn't turn out great. So I washed my hair and redid it again with all the products and stuff that I found now to use. So yeah, fingers crossed that I don't get any heat damage. If you guys want to see me revert like back to curly hair, like a, what do they call them, like straight to curly routines or whatever, if you guys want one of those, we can all see if I got heat damage and cry together. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have all the products linked down in the description box down below that I used. I will see y'all next time. Bye everybody.
Not gonna change. Yeah, I guess you're right.